In IngageApp, all SFA and PRM capabilities are built on top of our PaaS, which provides security, configurability, extensibility, and scalability for SaaS applications. In SaaS, we take user permissions seriously. First, each user is assigned with a user profile, which contains a set of functional permissions. A functional permission indicates whether a user can perform certain functions, for example, creating a new account or transferring an opportunity to another user. On top of that, each profile is also granted with field-level permissions. For example, a user may have full functional access to an account, but may not be able to view certain fields in account, such as aggregated forecast values. In addition, each user also has record-level permission controls. When a user creates an opportunity, she is the opportunity owner who has full access to the opportunity, and she can add more team members to the opportunity and grant them read or write access. A user with transfer owner functional permission can transfer the owner to another user, which usually happens when there's an organizational change. On top of that, admin users can set up sharing rules so that a set of objects can be shared to a set of users. For example, I have already created a sharing rule that shares some products to the channel users. In addition, admin users can specify whether users have access to the data owned by or shared with their subordinates in the departmental hierarchy. Last but not least, all territory members in the territory can have certain access to the resources assigned to that territory. For example, an inside sales member has full access to accounts in the territory, but may only have read-only access to opportunities in the same territory. Admin users can also specify whether territory members have access to the data owned by or shared with their subordinates in the territory hierarchy. On PaaS, users can create custom objects as powerful extensions to SaaS capabilities. Now I'm going to create a new custom object, Survey. After the custom object is created, I can add fields, triggers, layouts, etc. to the custom object. Now I'll add a new picklist field named How do you rate IngageApp? I grant field-level access to all user profiles. I can go back to the operational side and customize my menu items to add this new custom object to my menu. Now I can create a new survey instance. How do you rate IngageApp? It's available on the creation page. I select 5 as the rating. I can also customize my list to add new column, How do you rate IngageApp, to the list layout. On our PaaS, all standard and custom objects are accessible through metadata and data APIs, so our customers can create a custom app using these APIs, for example, a survey feature in the mobile app. On our PaaS, user can build approval processes for all standard and custom objects. Now I'm going to show how to build a discount approval process. I have already created a discount approval process. This process is associated with business object sales opportunity, business type, new business, and stage price negotiation, so that it can only be triggered when an opportunity moves to the price negotiation stage. In the initial condition step, I set up a condition that discount must be greater than 50%. This process will only be required when the initial condition is met. Then I set up process steps and post-approval events. In the process steps, I configure who will be in the approval process and what happens upon approval or rejection. In the post-approval event, I can configure that a notification to be sent, a script to be executed, a text message to be sent, or a related object to be updated upon final approval or rejection.